It does not matter what framework you are using, you will probably have to use Vite. Vite is an excellent front-end tooling which does mainly two things. It serves your file, makes a server, and it builds your files. You could call it a JavaScript bundler like there are many others, such as Webpack, Rollup, Snow, or even lots of other bundlers, but they all do the same thing, which is to merge all your files into one big file that you can upload on the server. To get started, just follow the instructions. Here we will use npm, which comes with Node, and we will run npm create vite at latest, which is optional. I have an empty folder. Let's open my terminal here. And let's run npm create vite at latest. Let's accept all options. We can change them later. Vite project is fine. Package name, nothing. Let's say we're going to use React. And with TypeScript, yes. Great. Scaffolding project, so done. Now run cd npm install npm run dev. Great. I now have a folder with lots of different files. Let's open them. Right click, open with VS Code. Let's see what we have. A README that we can read a bit later. If you want to open, you can use this markdown open to the side, but we're not going to do that. We're going to open the package JSON and see what's happening in here. So Vite is very good to use. It can use modules, which means that it can use ES modules in a lightning fast way, which is why it's called Vite. Let's look at the scripts that we have here. We're going to have 3 or 4 here that are very interesting. Dev, we see, is going to be the most important one because this is how you run the code. So let's do that. npm run, and the name of the script, which is dev, not Vite, npm run dev. Now we have our first error message. Vite is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. This means we're trying to run something that doesn't exist. When you see this message, it often means you forgot to npm install. So if you could look at your package.json, we're going to see that we have dependencies here. So we saw the script, but we also have dependencies. Dependencies are libraries that Node can download from npm.js. We also have dev dependencies. So these ones are also libraries, but they will not be inside of the build. We're going to see this a little bit later. If I look at the dev dependencies here, I see that there is one indeed that is called Vite, which is going to be the one that we use to serve. It's not here because I haven't installed anything. You can see I have no node modules folder here. So let's do npm install to download and install all of these libraries. npm install. This will now download all of these libraries and put them inside of a node modules directory here. Here you will find everything that is listed inside of our package.json, plus all the dependencies of these dependencies. So everything is here now. So let's try to run our script again. The first script that we wanted to run was dev, which is just going to run Vite. This time it should work because we have it installed. So let's do npm run dev. We now have something running. Let's click here. And we have an application running here, Vite and React. So React, which is being served by Vite. That's it. You now have a functional application being served by Vite.